Discovering the magic of if, making indirect requests and offers. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will delve into an important aspect of English conversation: indirect requests and offers using if statements. This is a very useful tool in English, allowing you to ask for things or propose actions in a polite, non-intrusive manner. Let's get started. Indirect requests and offers are, as the name suggests, a less direct and more polite way of asking for something or offering to do something. By using indirect speech, you can maintain a level of formality and respect, which is particularly useful in professional settings or when you're conversing with someone you don't know very well. In the English language, we often use if to create these indirect requests and offers. This is part of our strategy to make our speech more nuanced and considerate. Let's see how. In the realm of indirect requests, the word if serves as a sort of conditional marker. It suggests a possibility rather than a direct command or question. For instance, instead of saying, "Can you close the window?" which is a direct request, you might say, "If you're not too cold, could you close the window?" By phrasing the request this way, you give the listener an out, making the request feel less forceful. Similarly, if can be used to make offers more indirectly. Instead of saying, "I will pick up your kids from school," which may sound too assertive, you might say, "If you're busy, I could pick up your kids from school." Again, the if provides a condition, giving the listener the option to accept or refuse your offer without any awkwardness or pressure. And there we have it, folks. Today, we've learned how the simple word if can transform your English conversations, making your requests and offers more polite, less intrusive, and altogether more effective. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try incorporating these structures into your daily English conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you next time.